Hello everyone, welcome to this video, how to book exam. This video is being on high demand because everybody is confused how to do that. So many questions from the side of students. So here we go in this 2 minutes video, how to book exam. So let's start. If you have filled your expression of interest form, then you would have received an email from the RCOG. So in that, it must be showing a RCOG candidate exam portal written in blue. So just you have to click on this. As you click on this, then this page opens up. In this page, you have to add your email address. Email address should be same as you have mentioned in your RCOG registration. So that is the same here. Password you have to create new. Create any new password and that would be only for this exam portal. Then you click here. Just click here where the finger shows. As you click, you are directed onto this next page, which gives your email address. Just check your email address is fine and click on reset password. As you click on reset password, your password will be reset and you will immediately get this mail with your new password. Now you click here. So as you click here, this next page will be opened up. It says username, which shows your own email ID. And it gives you a place for the password. Now, this is the same password which you have created right now in the previous step. So, put the same password here, confirm again and set your password. As you set your password, you will be logged into the welcome page of exam portal site of Pearson VUE. As you move here, an address will be shown which you have filled in your RCOG registration. So then you click on to book your exam with the Pearson VUE when you are ready to book. As you do that, according to the address mentioned on your page, it will show you the nearest centers. Now, if you want to go beyond that, then you can change your settings in the search bar at the top. And then you can have access to as many centers you want. You can choose 3 centers from this list, whichever you feel are comfortable to you. As you choose 3 centers, just click on the next, showing with the green arrow, and move on to the next page. Now here you see the 3 centers are shown. And with keeping your pointer on these centers one by one, you can check whether they are available on your date or not. So once you are sure which center to book, then move on to your date and the time and schedule the time accordingly. Now, once you are fixed with that, move on to the next page. As you come to cart, you have all the details here. You have your center location, your time, your date, everything. Check, because after this page, you cannot change this. So check at this place. If everything is fine with you, you are happy with all this, proceed to checkout. Now, as you proceed to check out, you need a credit card, not a debit card. It has to be a credit card with which international transactions are possible. So check with your bank that the international transactions are possible with your card. And secondly, amount limit. Check your amount limit. You should be able to, you should have a limit which is larger than your fees which you are going to pay. So then put your card details here, fill everything, and that's how you go. Another important thing is that, of course, your device should have a good high-speed internet connection so that you can move in through in that great rush. And try to book your exam early because all the bookings are on first come, first serve basis. So if you want to choose a center nearest to you, please book it as early as possible. Don't wait for the last day. So if you have gone through all this, once you have booked, you have paid, you will immediately get a message. Your booking is confirmed and you will get a booking revert on the mail that you are booked. And now please save this mail because this will have all your details of your location, time, schedule, and a date. So everything is there. Just save that mail for the future references. And congratulations, you have finally booked your exam successfully. This is the first step. Now you are on to the next step, ready to appear in exam. So that is how, again, we can help you there. So ensure your success in 70% less study time with us. We have 4.8 star rating for that. Sign up now. And of course, the numbers are mentioned here. You can call or WhatsApp and be with us to ensure your success, and have a good journey and best wishes for your success. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you for being here with us today.